Been driving for just 5 minutes, just popped into the shop to pick something up. So the car was off for about 20 minutes. I'm in neutral. Aircon off. Foot on clutch. No difference. Put my foot on the throttle now just to increase the revs. And the cadence of that noise has increased as well. I don't know if you can hear that over the revs of the engine. It just sounds like it's coming from front of the bulkhead. It's either under the dash or in the engine bay. My guess would be some sort of pulley off the engine. Aircon. No difference in the noise. Noise has faded somewhat. The volume of the noise anyway. Still there though.